Check out the sleet. We've had about 8 inches of snow this morning. This is my backyard. It's completely covered, you can see. Doesn't look like this is going to let up anytime soon. I'll let you see the people across the street trying to get up the driveway. I don't think that they're going to make it anytime soon. You can hear the train going down the track far away. It's about 3 miles away. Yeah, these are little ice pellets falling on me. Ooh, it's cold out here, 25 degrees. How are you? You gonna make it? Maybe if you get some cardboard and put under those wheels, he might be able to get a little bit more traction.